Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove phone number from Snapchat. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat app. Then click on your Snapchat account. Now click on your settings. Here you can see phone number. Click on phone number. Now here you can see a sign icon. To remove phone number from Snapchat, you have to turn off this sign icon. Your phone number will be removed from Snapchat. So this is how you can remove phone number from Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.